These viral AI watermelon sculpture videos are everywhere right now, and creators are getting millions of views with this simple content. In fact, some pages have uploaded fewer than 100 videos and already gained thousands of followers. The best part is, you don't need any artistic skills to make them. Everything is created with AI in just a couple of minutes. Let me show you one I made myself. Looks amazing, right? The realistic carving details and smooth animation make these videos incredibly satisfying to watch. And without wasting your time, let me show you exactly how to make them for free. First, open ChatGPT and ask it to generate 20 creative animal or object ideas for watermelon sculptures. Pick your favorite idea from the list. Next, open the prompt link in the description and copy the complete prompt. Everything is already set up for you. Simply replace the object name with the idea you selected. Now open Google Flow, select the video option, choose the Omni Flash model, paste the prompt and click Generate. Within a few seconds, your AI watermelon sculpture video will be ready. That's the complete process. Just change the object each time, and you'll never run out of unique content. If you want more viral AI tutorials and hidden AI tools, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.